Hello, everyone. Now I'm going to do a demonstration on a really cool digital photo editing software system that I have a subscription for, but there are a lot of free features that you can use on it that are really pretty cool. And uh it's really cool what it can do. And there's definitely things like Adobe Photoshop and things like that out there. I have that as well. But I find Be Funky, which I'm going to be talking about today, to be something really good because it's very easy for kids to use. So, and I'm not being paid even to do this. I'm just doing commentary on a software program that I think is really good. And so here we're on Pixabay. And since I'm from Canada, okay, I'll choose this maple leaf. Around this time, it is autumn. We're moving into autumn in moments from now. And a few days, I should say, rather than moments, but it's going to be happening soon. This is Be Funky. Okay, this is Be Funky from once you get inside the software program. There are a number of programs that you can use where there's also a collage maker and a graphic designer. It's the photo editor that I'm going to be focusing on at this time. But I can get into the collage maker. The graphic designer, I'm not really necessarily an expert on, but the collage and photo editor, I'm better at. And so now I'm going to take that image that I just downloaded from Pixabay that has royalty-free photos and just show you some really cool things that this software can do if you have a subscription. And I don't know, you may be able to get some coupon codes or something like that. So if you go to artsy part, you can click on digital art, right? And that's one thing it can do. If you choose number one, then you'll see here with just a touch of a button. Look how different that looks. Like that is really amazing, isn't it? And another one that tends to be really popular as well for a lot of kids is the cartoonizer. So if I click on number one again, that's how it would look more like a cartoon. That looks really nice. I think the leaf was actually a very good choice. And another one that also tends to be very popular is the underpainting and underpainting one. And you'll see why soon. That looks really nice as well. So these are some of the really cool things that you can do with Be Funky. And just as a quick demonstration, you go save to computer and you can just name it the leaf, okay, and whatever you want there, save it, saves to your downloads, depending on how your computer is programmed, and you got your picture ready for use, okay? So another thing that can be used is like, say if you want to use the collage. So what I'm going to do here, save image as, I'm going to get a few of these. Well, ones that I like here. Okay. And this is a nice one too. It's not too many. Okay. And then we'll go back, just bring that back there and go to collage maker. Okay. And it also has stock photos that you can use too, right? So actually I realized I didn't even have to download all that was there. These are some stock photos that can be used. So say all you have to do is drag and drop, right? And you can change these lines the way you want to as well. And so I'll put this here. Okay, I'll put this here. Okay, I'll put this here. I'll put this here. I'll put this here, drag and drop. And those ones that were on my computer. Okay, so it comes to there and you can just fit it in that way. You can also bulk upload as well. Okay, so this is that one. And then I'll get another one. I'll use the leaf. Okay, so I'll use the leaf. Okay, So that's quite an interesting collage, actually. And then you can change it if you want. You can change it up. You can change the dimensions if you'd like. There's a lot of really cool things that you can do. You can change it the other way if you want to, make it even. You can even bring it up if you want, or bring it down if you want. You could even do the bottom. You can move the picture around. You can do it from a different angle if you want. If you do it from too much of an angle, it will pop out, but you can kind of change the dimension, and which is pretty good. So then I'm just gonna, I'll just call it what it defaulted, Be Funky Collage. Okay, so which is pretty cool. Be Funky is a really, really good software program, I find. And I'll just show it here from the front end so that you can recognize it. But this is Be Funky here, and it's a software company, and what they do is it's a photo editor. And they also have graphic design on it too, but I wouldn't necessarily call myself an expert graphic designer. There are people that work in that field, and it's really a specialized field. Okay, all right. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and be ready for more.